Hazra, what you are doing right now?
I'm cutting it into same pieces so I can make it into
What you are making, can you tell us?
I'm making a french fry.
French fries. Okay, very good. Okay, Ibrahim Farouk, what you are making, can you tell us about your project?
French fries box.
French fries pocket. Very nice. Good going. Excuse me, girls, what you are making?
Making a french fries.
French fries. Okay. How is it going, Hazra?
It's going good.
Excellent.